Hi everyone, I'm Bree the Plant Lady. Today I am unveiling some random plants that I put into containers in the end of August, so about 3 months ago. Now I have a sweet potato. I had low expectations of this and I was originally planning to overwinter this, but I think it's worth seeing what developed in such a short amount of time. All right, here goes nothing. It just looks like the original potatoes that I planted are still there. So I'll call this one a bust, but I think what I will do is go ahead and replant this one potato, or maybe both, and I will overwinter it so that I make sure that I have a decent sweet potato started for next season. So I'll just replant these, and before we get to frost, I will simply put that into the heated shed. Okay, here is a bag of sweet potatoes that have been growing all summer. And I have much higher expectations for harvest because look what I've already just pulled out before I've even turned this pot over. Now this is just a fabric bag, so in theory it's light, but it's really not lightweight at all because we had 6 inches of rain. Oh my gosh, look. This is awesome. Yeah, this is what my sweet potato dreams are made of. Overall, I am going to count that as a very successful harvest. 1 root bag, and a huge amount of sweet potatoes. This is like the perfect amount for Thanksgiving. And I think that's a pretty great expectation to have from one simple grow bag.